Good evening, members. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who are watching my videos for the first time, my name is Alema Bob, and I'm going to take you through how to use Google Translate. And these are the steps. You have to go to your Chrome and you log into your email. This is the Chrome I'm talking about. You can see my email is already saved here. I'll click on my email and also enlarge it, and I'll go to right hand side of my computer. After seeing this icon, Google Apps, I'll double click on it. I'll click on Google Apps, and it has for me these apps, and Google Translate is here. I'll click on Google Translate, and it has opened for me. Google Translate is used in case you go to any place and you don't know the language and you want to start communicating to people, and there's something which you want to do, which you want to know from the language. That's how Google Translate is used. You just come to direct English, direct language. You can come here, English is here, assuming I'm in Gulu. The language which people are using in Gulu is actually language. So I'll come, in case if I want to say where is Gulu city located, I'll just come here, I'll type where is Gulu city, where is Gulu city located. You can see in France, in Spanish, how it is translated for me, but I want to know it in Nacholi language. I'll just come here, I'll type on Nacholi. You can see how it has brought for me the location of Gulu. And if I want to use France, or I want to use other language, let me just say Lingala. I want to use Lingala, I'll just click on Lingala. And it has brought for me the words. For you to get those languages, you come to this icon, you click on it, and it will bring for you these languages. And if you fail to get, you can just come here, you click on this icon, you come here and search the language. For instance, let me say Lugara, whether Lugara is here. Fortunately, Lugara is not here. Or any other language I want, and just say Luganda. Where is Gulu city located? I want to know it in Luganda. I'll just come here, I'll type Uganda. I'll type on it. And you can see there in Uganda. Where is Gulu city located? In Uganda, you can see it here. Lingala, it is here. Any language which you want it, you just come to this icon, and you can see there are many languages here. You just type any language which you want. If I want, let me just say if I want French, I'll just say French is here. Where is Gulu city located? In France. Any word which you want to know, you just type it here, and language which you want to translate, you just go to that language and you click on it, and it will bring for you this. This is how you can use Google Translate in any place where you're not used to that language or cannot understand that language. Thanks for listening. My name still remains Adam Above TV. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for listening.